Hey guys, it's your girl Anika K. How y'all doing or whatever? Welcome back to the channel. If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for returning. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by. But as you guys can see by the title of this video, this is not really a cash stuffing. This is a what the hell going on? So if you guys don't know, well, before we get on into that, I just want to introduce, my fellow, co-hosts on the channel. So this right here is my wine. If you guys can see in it, there's some, wine in the bottom. That's because your girl just had some. And my second co-host, which is Stella Rose Black. So, both my co-hosts are here, the wine cup and the wine bottle. Oh, am I weak? Y'all, this does not want to open. But guys, yeah, we just had a talk, as you guys can see by the I'm gonna leave me a little bit. I'm just gonna have this amount for now. But on a regular your girl will be drinking more. But not tipsy or anything, just needed to talk, guys. Really, that's it. So cheers to y'all. She tastes so good since I had her 30 minutes ago. I'm not tipsy. I'm just really here to try to understand what's happening and hope y'all can help me too. So guys, I was just going through doing my budget, doing my weekly check-in for tomorrow, and it literally hit me that the government, they signed a 1-week extension. They haven't signed a budget for, the next fiscal year. I kind of been a wine break. But they haven't signed a budget for the next fiscal year. And I'm just like, how can I, someone who works in the military have a budget, but y'all can't get it together? The craziness of it all. But anyways, so I'm a government employee, basically, being in the military. And I'm just like, bruh, am I gonna get paid next week? Because I'm supposed to get paid next week, but with them not signed, they signed a 1-week extension, but what is that gonna do for me? How is that gonna, affect, everything else? Because you guys have to think, like, it affects me as a military member, it affects all, government entities, state and local government, it affects your post office, all like government employees. So it's just like, bro, what is going on? But guys, like, I'm just like, what are y'all doing? And like, I'm just voicing my frustration, because I'm not even frustrated at them not paying me or nothing, because little baby gonna be good regardless. Because you know what? If one thing 2020 taught us this year is that we need to budget. We need to be budgeted. We can't wait on the government to do nothing. And thank God, if you guys watch my closeout, you guys can see, like, I was able to save, my 3 months expenses, because like, you never know, like 2020 been hectic already with, Felicia, and then on top of it, the government acting up, and you're just like, what is going on? Like, are y'all like gonna get it together at some point for something, anything at this point? Because y'all gonna shut down the government, and y'all, child, Chile, this is why me and Stella friends right now, because like, I'm not even bothered by the fact, but there's people whose lives have been affected the entire year. It's just like, come on now, at some point you have to like do something, just anything at this point, just anything. And that's so bad that we have gotten to the desperation point that we would just accept anything at this point. Isn't that crazy? Our own government, isn't that crazy? That's crazy. But I really came on here too to talk about the important, I got wine on my things. But anyways, I really came on here too to talk about the importance of the emergency fund, y'all. Like, yes, this budgeting thing can be hard sometimes. Little baby, I can tell you from experience. And sometimes you don't want to do it. But when you have certain situations happen to you, or there's things that are just not in your control, and you have this opportunity and this thing to have to back you up, this emergency fund is no game, y'all. Like, I am so unbothered And I know I probably say this in some of my videos, and sometimes it sounds like repetition to y'all, but I really want to tell y'all, at the end of the tunnel, guys, this is what your life could be like. You know, this is the peace of mind that you have. Like, being debt free, having an emergency fund, being ready for just anything life throws at you, like, especially, little baby, with the country that we live in and, you know, not being able to get government assistance in any way, shape, or form during 2020, you know, as much as needed. Like, it is crazy to me that it has been 10 months in a pandemic. You've only been assisted once. The vaccine just got passed by FDA, if y'all ain't seen. So it's just like, are we gonna, you know, how much are we gonna have to pay for this? Because, you know, little baby, things happen. But it's just like, guys, now there's a possibility of a government shutdown. And like I said, I'm not even upset. Like, I know how some of my friends are going to do, but I know others are going to do fine because, you know, we have planned. 2020 has definitely helped us to plan for this. But it's just like, bruh, when is the government going to get it together? Like, this election year has been chaotic, stupid, foolish. It has been everything in between. That's supposed to do so much. And then on top of it, to have, you know, Felicia over there with her stuff. Like, it is just so much. But I'm telling you guys, man, make sure you get your emergency fund completed, even if you do for 1 month's bill. I would definitely recommend. I know that Dave Ramsey says, hey, do 1 month, do $1,000, right? And that is great, absolutely beautiful starting point. But I would definitely say make your aim to be 1 month's bill, like completely. You can pay rent, you can pay electricity, you can put food on the table, you know, you can pay your light bill, you can pay your water bill, you can pay your insurance, car payment, whatever you need to do, 1 full month. And that's not going to be $1,000 for some people. You know, I'm looking at my next apartment, my rent alone is $972. That's basically, you know, my emergency fund under Dave Ramsey plan. And no offense to, you know, homeboy, he been a blessing. But guys, 1 month's bills is what you need, because, little baby, it is a real struggle out here. It is real ghetto out here. And it's just crazy to me, man. So, you know, me and Stella, hope that you guys are doing great. Hope that you guys are doing well. Hope that, you know, we don't have a government shutdown or nothing, you know, especially before the holidays. Like, come on. There's been a lot that's happened in 2020. And I think the least we could expect is for us not to have a government shutdown. So, but like I said, that's my 2 cents. I'm just here to talk, you know, because I really wanted to do this quick video. I really was like, yo, let's talk about it. So let's talk about it. But yeah, guys, my recommendation for emergency fund, you know, yeah, do 1 month's bills, like 1 complete month bill. Like, if you should lose your job tomorrow, you have the peace of mind for at least 1 month, you know. But yeah, that's my 2 cents in the video, guys. This was really an impromptu. I hope that you guys liked it in the mini discussion. I don't know how long this video is, but if you did, if you did like it, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. And if you do like the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Again, my name is Anique Anna K. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you to all the new subscribers and everyone who helped me go over 200. I am literally going to be doing the giveaway soon. I'm just waiting on 1 more package to come in, because as you guys know, or if you don't know, I don't necessarily, well, especially now, I don't necessarily need, you know, budgeting like stickers and envelopes and stuff, because now I have everything to make all of that. But I do want to support, you know, my friends here in the budgeting community, so I do buy items from them, and that is a part of the giveaway. So I'm just waiting on 1 item to get in, and then I can do the full giveaway for you guys. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't